Attribution. It's your girl Jonique, making it look unique, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name's Jonique and I create fashion and lifestyle content. So if that seems to interest you, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. In today's video, I am going to be doing a day in my life. I've never did this on my channel, but I'm gonna bring some new content for you guys. I have a lot to do today. In regards to, I'm going to be making breakfast, doing a little shopping, and more. So if that seems to interest you, watch the video all the way to the end, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let's just get right into it. This is what I'm going to be having for breakfast. So I made some scrambled egg with cheese, made some country style potatoes. I put some red peppers, green peppers, and onions, and I seasoned it with black pepper, salt, some longhorn steak seasoning, and a little bit of paprika for the color. And I just paired it with a side of multi-grain toast, well, honey wheat toast. But yeah, this is my breakfast. Listen, y'all, I don't know who I thought I was, but your girl needs some protein, so I had to double back real quick and make me some bacon, because who's just gonna eat eggs and potatoes? Not I. I'm really excited, but so far it looks good, and I know it's gonna taste even better. Cheers. Since I didn't really go into detail what I'm going to be doing today, what I have planned is, of course, to make breakfast. I usually start off with that. I like to read my Bible, and today I just took out my hair last night and I'm going to wash it, and I thought it would be cool to do a protein treatment. So I'll show you guys what I put in my protein treatment and how I go about that process. And later on, I'm going to cook some dinner, go shopping, do a little shopping at Ross, look for some home decor type of things, and that would pretty much conclude the day. Now that I finished eating, I'm going to go do my hair. So like I mentioned before, I took out my hair yesterday. Beware. As you can see, it's a lot. And it's very dry. I do have 4C hair. I'm about to go to the kitchen, whip up the protein treatment, and leave it in my hair for a little bit. I'm gonna go on TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, follow me at Jote Styles. And I'm going to try to find a protein treatment. TikTok University has all the tips, tricks, and gems. I typically like to go for the egg and mayo treatment. I feel that my hair is more defined compared to, I know there's like avocado one, and there's a lot more that you can do, like the Afrobeat and things like that. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, this girl's video. And I would say when you do this protein treatment, it is important to not rinse it out with hot water.
Do not rinse out your hair with hot water.
You're going to regret it, and it's gonna be impossible to take out. Some mayo. And last but not least, I'm going to add this oil from Benta Beauty. I also did mix it with some natural Jamaican black castor oils. I would say this is like a good consistency. You can make it a little thicker if you want to. For the first part, I'm going to part my hair into 4 different sections and work in smaller sections. At first, I was adding the mask to my dry hair, and it was a struggle to detangle. Later on in the video, you'll see I added water at first and then add the mask, and it was 10 times easier. I would recommend that you distribute the product throughout your ends as well, because you want to make sure everything is fully coated. This is what the end result looks like. You're going to put on your shower cap and wait, air dry it for 15 minutes and rinse it out with cold water. This one's cute. Ooh, or this one. Which one y'all think? And the quality of their bathing suits are amazing.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now.
show you guys the outfit of the day today. I got this cute little shirt from Fashion Nova. I don't know what I came in here for, really and truly. Ooh, these are so cute. Alright, y'all, so I wanted to show you the OOTD today. Target does not want us to be great because why is the music so loud? But I got the top from Fashion Nova, bottoms from Charlotte Russe, and I just did my hair in a cute little bun is what I was saying in the video.
Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now.
She gave me a glass of wine today. Comment down below your favorite one. If you don't know, Stella Rosa is the place to be. I like the berry. And there's another one. Oh, this one? This one, that's her. Cute. Every time I come in Ross, I like to check the shoes that they have. Well, these are kind of cute. These are cute. But I feel like once this turns, the shoe is over with. Guys, look at these Steve Madden shoes. These are so nice. Especially for the summertime vacation wear. These are the it girls. And let me check my to-do list to see what I actually came here for. Because I'm gonna end up buying stuff that I don't need to buy. So I need to find undershirts, pillow, cutting board, hamper, and some knives. These are the egg thingies. These look so cool. I don't know if I should get them for the aesthetics. So 21 eggs. Okay, so I need a cutting board. I don't know if I want to do the wooden ones. They're nice and fancy, but once they get wet, they're kind of annoying to deal with. So I already have this one at home, so I'm going to stick with this one. And it comes with knives too for that price. So next I'm going to look for the hamper or like a vase. This is kind of ugly. Oh, these are size 13. These are way too big. These are the jeans I'm going to try on. So these are black. Not flare, like 70s vintage jeans. I also got these. These are in a size 11. I also like these, but I think it's gonna be too much rips. I tried on all the jeans and none of them was giving what it was supposed to give. Like all of them were tight and they were cut very close, so definitely a fail. Oh, this is what the cart is looking like. I'm gonna get the shoes. I put back the black ones because I don't think I'm gonna wear them as often as I'm gonna wear these. And I need some to-go bowls for work to pack my food and little snacks and stuff that is plastic. I'm going to get this lunchbox, super cute. And then the pillows. Leave down in the comments how much you think this is gonna come up to. Let me know. I'm gonna show you guys when I get my receipt. At least the line's not busy because usually Ross line is always packed and they only always have 2 people working on the registers. Now that I'm in my car, I'm about to head to go find something to eat and just chill for the rest of the day. Probably later on I'm gonna cook some dinner so you guys will be able to get to see that as well. For tonight's dinner, I'm gonna do a little ASMR, so enjoy. For dinner, I made this Chipotle inspired bowl. It was super easy to execute. So it was just cilantro rice, some chicken, pico de gallo. I made black beans. Well, it came in the can. And then guacamole, and I added some cheese in the final product.
Doesn't make sense now.
Now guys, that concludes the video. For my nighttime routine, I like to put on my scarf and my bonnet and just unwind. And then after that, I follow up with my night skincare routine. If you're interested in seeing all the products that I use, be on the lookout because I will be making a YouTube video showing you my morning and nighttime skincare routine, and you'll find all the information to execute that glowy skin look. But other than that, today's video was very fun creating. You got to come shopping with me and get to see what I do in my day-to-day typically. And I hope you guys just enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below more video ideas you would like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.